third straight day of decline coming in for commodities, and the more it falls, the deeper the cut gets on a daily basis. The opening trades itself on MCX have seen nearly 2% of decline coming in. The international gold price is just about holding $12.50 at this point in time. Remember, this is below cost of production for most of the mining companies, and we slowly are heading on the lower side. So you might be looking at some repercussions coming in from major gold mines in the world there. The Indian markets also continue to decline. Nearly 400 to 500 rupees of a decline is what you are seeing on the opening trades itself in case of gold. The cuts have gone deeper in case of silver. It's the worst performing currency in the international markets and in India as well. And you have seen more than 3% of a cut coming in as it opens in India. And we have breached below 40,000 rupees per kg as well. If you look at the oil and gas space, you have seen some pressure continuing in for that one as well. But the positive point is that you have seen the data that has come in from US yesterday in sense of durable goods and consumer confidence numbers. That is something that's supporting or capping too much of losses coming in for this space. But even then, nearly 0.25%, 0.5% of a decline is what you have seen in case of crude and in case of base metal prices as well, as we see the opening trades here on MCX.